Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making a vegan dish, callaloo, with carrots and white rice. I have gone ahead and washed and cut up my callaloo along with my carrots. Hence, I will put my pot on the stove and start by adding my callaloo first, along with a small amount of water. Callaloo are very high and rich in iron. Now I will add my carrots that have been chopped and washed. The combination of colors with the callaloo and the carrots looks so beautiful, orange and green. Next, I will add my natural seasoning, that is my tomatoes, my onions, my garlic, and my scallions that have been washed and chopped. Carrots are good for the eyes, and callaloo are very rich in iron. Very, very rich. Good for you. Next up, I will add a piece of butter. Then I'll add my meat seasoning and my all-purpose seasoning. Along with that, I'll also add some black pepper and a pinch of salt. After which, I will mix or stir all my ingredients in so that it can be distributed and leave to cook for at least 6 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on how young your callaloo is. You can leave for 6 to 10 minutes to cook. Let's say steam, because we actually steam callaloo. To steam the callaloo, always cover your pot and allow to steam. That way it will steam without adding a lot of water. My callaloo have been cooked after about 8 minutes. Now I have my rice, my white rice on the stove, steaming, cooking. I will serve them both, and here we have the finished product. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this video.